rapping on the beat breaks, actuals a DJ, passing up these half-stepping cats that can't keep pace, saddened by the blasphemous whackness they create, send them on their way but stay praying they reach safe. Smashing it with each take while the radio is oversaturated cliches. The status quo's manufacturing sleep aids, so I doze like heroes after napping 3 days. They whining like it's pre-K, breathe hate and blow hot air like a steam grate. I'm sick and tired of giving them leeway, delay, but it's time to make a clean break. Put it on my tab, it's prepaid, I promise, responded impacts how I behave. Certainly burning off impurities, freebase, constantly accepting his direction as the screenplay. Yes, yes, for Pete's sake, how is it not obvious that all of us need grace? The sooner we acknowledge it, the sooner we leave space for fate to invade and abolish our weak ways. Consider it a rebate and wake from your monotonous, debaucherous dream state. The wage has been covered, so don't be a cheap state, embracing the sun like celebrating a heat wave. It was down to the wire, eBay, but I took that deal, so give me the briefcase. Cause dying of self's like winning a sweepstakes. Your virus is healed and you're given a clean slate. Bury me in a deep grave, waiting like anticipating release dates. See my feeble evil transgressions with erase, like my teenage days, blessing how that weed tastes. The Savior be praised, to the Master retraces the path that he paved. Cause the only road home is holy freeway, and my people walking straight is thanks that we save.
Jeremiah bonds like switch from the free throw, sharpen to the point, sword fish at a speedo. 100 degrees below freezing, speeding C3O. Never gone platinum to the bars like Magneto. Reflect the sunlight like the Vegan UV rays. A mirror to the image of the rays who I save. Imagine Dr. Kevorkian snorkeling and forcing in a portion of his morphine with no endorphins to corpse it with. Hold them and don't hold them, keep it rolling like an avalanche. Never backslide, just glide forward and pass the chance. Since chance and tideless mudslide and live right. God's grace is sufficient enough to forgive and give life. That's a lot to dive into. Free your mind of others occupy as I try not to offend you. The gospel is simple and embedded in a mental Romans 1 paint a portrait of that issue. It's tragic when you're misused, but that's a part of the hard knock life. A collage of thoughts form from your eyes into the tissues that never dries, but the pain only subsides when you grab a mic, hold it tight like vice. Scripts and spit when you write like psych love.